Hey everybody, Greg here from Brooklyn Music Factory, and today we're going to learn about strumming patterns. And more specifically, we're going to learn about strumming pattern notation. As a musician, we read music on staff paper, or we might even read a chord chart, but did you know that there's a whole series of symbols which tell us how to strum the guitar? The first symbol we're going to take a look at is the downstroke. It's a downward-facing bracket-looking thingy. Pretty simply, all you got to do is strum down towards the floor. One thing to note about the downstroke is it usually happens on strong beats, like downbeats. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next symbol we're going to look at is the upstroke, which looks like a V. Now, I always get confused when I look at this symbol because to me it looks like a downward-facing arrow. No, this is an upstroke. That means we're going to strum up toward the ceiling. Now, the one thing to note about upstrokes is that they usually happen on upbeats or syncopated beats. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Up next, we're going to look at the accent, which looks like a greater than symbol. This means we are going to emphasize that particular beat. In other words, we're just going to strum that a little bit harder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lastly, we're going to learn about the palm muted symbol, which is abbreviated PM, followed by a dotted line. That dotted line represents a duration of the palm muting. Palm muting is when you take your strumming hand and lightly place it across all 6 strings just beyond the bridge of the guitar. The goal isn't to entirely mute the strings, but to dampen them, and it gives it a kind of chug, chug, chug kind of sound. Generally speaking, palm muting happens normally on the lower strings 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, strumming patterns are a lot more than just up and downs, so have fun with it and get funky!